Hello, in this video we are going to be having a quick look at the Lidl Parkside bench grinder with a belt sander, the PSBS 240 C2. Let me just whip this box open and let's see what is inside. It comes with a grinding wheel fitted, it comes with a sanding belt apparently fitted, and it comes with two other belts. They weren't, when I went in, selling any spare belts in Lidl. I've had a look online and in other places. You can buy, I can't remember what grip, but you can buy one fairly coarse grip from Screwfix, and you can buy, here we have the guards, and these are the bits that go on a wheel. They're cheap and nasty, but never mind. You can buy the belts. I've had a look. They're not particularly expensive. You go, that's 686 millimeters or 27 inches by 50 millimeters or roughly 2 inches. You get an 80, a 120, and I think I'll see what's fitted to it. Hold on. Yeah, so you get an 80, a 120, and also 180 fitted. So let's just have a quick look. The grinding wheel is quite coarse. You get a 2-meter cable. Let's get this thing out of the box. Reasonably easy to unbox. Well, I'm assuming I can get it lifted out. Come on. It's hanging on tightly to the, there we go. Right, and it has, I think, a, what's the wattage on that motor? 240 watt motor. So, let's get it out. There it is. Let's have a look. Not quite sure how. That's the tracking adjust there. Not quite sure how you get that. That is obviously takes the tension off. Not sure which way. Obviously that comes off that way, but you've got to take these two off, or loosen those two off first. Those don't need to come out all the way. Let me grab a screwdriver and just whip that open. So if you want to change the belt, loosen that off. Now that one, it's not cooperating easily. Let me find a bigger, fatter screwdriver. Or alternatively, I'll just get a pair of grips on it. There we go. It was just slightly overdone. Loosen that off. Slide that up. Both ends, it comes off. Slacken that off, take the belt out. The belt runs down this way, so then obviously you need to make sure you put the belt on the right way. I'll put that one back on. So the arrows run up that way and down that way. So let's put that belt back on. Here it goes. Slides back on over there. I can see these washers are going to get a little bit fiddly, because you obviously need to get those out there. Don't like those washers much. There's a spring washer there as well. Let me just undo that quite a lot. Do you know what? probably helpful if I put this the right way out. So that goes on like that. These screws back up. That's how to change a belt, it's not very difficult. I've no idea how you change the grinding wheel, other than you undo those 3 screws there. Let's just set that out of the way. Have a guard. Generally we have some screws for the, oh no, we've got a screw up there. I'll leave that on for the moment. Watch out for doing stupid things like that, it's not very helpful. So that's got to go inside there. Okay, that has got to go that way on then. If it's going to, let me just double check, refer to the manual. Yes, it does. Right, so that goes on like that. So we feed that through there, feed that through there, put the nut on the back, do it up. It does look a bit like a chocolate teapot, this thing. It really does. Let me grab that back of that nut with that. Should really get a bigger screwdriver. So that's on there. And that can go down a little bit more. It can actually go down quite a bit more. There we go. Right. Let's fit the other one, or rather fit the okay, so have 2 plastic headed screws, 2 of those. Let's see which order they go on in. Is any particular order? Right. So that will go like that. That goes in there, goes in there. Feed one of those and one of those. So we want a star washer. An ordinary, hold on, get in there. Ordinary washer, star washer, twirly knob. Okay. Now that is quite a long way from square there. I'll show you that in a sec. And let's just go fit the other one, which will fit roughly the same way, I expect. So that will fit in there like that, and fit over like that. Fit that washer, a star washer, and that. Okay. Just a bit more. Right, let's get the tools out of the way. Let's plug it in and fire it up. This is a quick review, so I won't be able to tell you how it's going to behave in 6 months' time. You'll have to come back for an update. And go grab safety glasses. We have power. And I'm just going to go grab a lovely bit of steel. We'll find one. Pair of gloves. And ear defenders, because it's probably going to get noisy. Right. Okay, you've seen it do a couple of things. The grinding wheel's okay, it's quite an aggressive wheel, but then again you shouldn't be using a grind. If you're grinding something down, you normally want it to be at least reasonably aggressive. The sanding belt's okay, that's an 80 grit. But the thing is if you're sanding something quite long on that, and you want to drag it along like that, you are going to hit that there. You don't have the same problem on the grinding wheel, but you will do when the grinding wheel's worn down. And as you heard there, it is a little bit underpowered. What do I think of it? Well, it's $29.99. I don't know how much the equivalent tool is. It's reasonably easy to change the belt. That's a tracking adjust. I'll show you what that does. If your belt is ski whip, turn that and it tracks differently. And it is a bit noisy. Don't know if you saw that, but when I twisted that, it tracked across that way. It's okay. Don't know quite how I feel about that. I'm going to have a play and use it some more. I'm most likely to be using it with metal. I'd quite like to use it for sharpening chisels and stuff, but I can only get up to 400 grit on that. But having said that, 400 grit is quite a long way up to sharpening chisels and blade blades. I don't like these much for that purpose, but I'm sure I can work around that. And there you go. It's okay. It's not fantastic, but it's okay. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe. I'm trying to get to 1,000 subscribers, so I could really do with subscribers. Thank you very much indeed.